Alright, so from part to part 2. So now I'll show here, right? First, once you're done, you should leave a tiny little hole so you can put in you can either put tissue, but I recommend you to put cotton wool. So yeah. Then just tuck it in, because I already put some cotton wool. And then you might want to tuck it inner. After that, and just okay, that's all I can put. So yeah. Once you're done putting in your cotton wool, you wanna sew it up. Slowly go in to if you haven't checked out part 1, please go check part 1. And please comment if you rather Avani, Charlie D'Amelio or Addison Rae, like I said in the last video. Who is your favorite TikToker? Okay. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. And go in, out. In and then out. Try to keep going. Maybe I'll put a little bit now. Better edit before I regret it. Mr. Poopy is about to die. I like this very small hole here. And once I put it in, there's no regret. So I was thinking maybe I like a little bit more should up. Yes. Anything. And this is like my favorite squishy right now. After that, I'm gonna show you a real squishy, like those that you can buy from shop. So yeah. Because I have one. It's from Taobao. If you know what Taobao is, an online shopping app from China. You can use it to buy the squishies too. But not my squishy, not those homemade type of squishy. You can buy ready-made type of cotton type of squishy. That type is like really much better in quality. So I'm almost done, so yes, just a little bit more. And if you guys haven't go check out the slime review, nor have you check out the house tour, the Airbnb tour in March, please go check it out. So done. Now I'm just gonna ask a little bit here. Mommy, can you help me? I want pink. Then after that, if your cotton might have flies everywhere after this. So once you're done, you want to cover it immediately. Okay. Cut it. You already dyed it. Done! So that's all for that. I want to know one thing, how to keep it nice and clean for your table. Maybe your cotton has fly everywhere. Take a scotch tape, tie it backwards like this, and then now you can do it. And also link in the description below if I should do an ASMR. Today, an ASMR video is putting you one or a sticker video. How to make your own stickers. So, yeah. So go and put down there in the comments before I end. I'm gonna see this. Look, it's coming out together. See? So I'm gonna want to continue. Like sticking out everywhere, make sure it's nice and clean. So yeah. And remember this cotton little bunny. Peace.